So welcome to a new video in Unbox Gadget. I have one new packet from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Let's cut the box. Now, what's inside? So this is a face wash from DOURMAA Organics Detox Charcoal. And this is a new face wash I have just bought from Amazon. This is a completely organic product which has green tea tree extract, aloe vera leaf extract, vitamin C and charcoal. The advantage of this face wash is completely paraben free and sulfate free and control excess oil, fights acne, brightens skin, moisturizes the skin and unclog pores. And its current price in Amazon is, you can see it's $2.49 for 100 grams of pack. Okay, so this is for today's unboxing. I will see you in a new video.